Game failing to initialize because of the EMP module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. Before we start the EMP module manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the EMP module, a core component of the Empress DRM bypass system. This library emulates the de novo anti-tamper triggers to allow games to run without an active online license check. Because of its nature, it is frequently quarantined by Windows Defender as a false positive, causing the game to fail with a module not found error upon launch. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for EMP module DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing EMP module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of EMP module DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping EMP modules synchronized. To support our technical team and receive updates on EMP module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.